Hey everyone, welcome to another fire episode on our AI Arena channel. Today we're diving into a world where AI success meets elite romance. Dating and business are merging like never before, and platforms like MillionaireMatch are where it's happening. Let's dive into details. So guys, AI is booming. Every smart entrepreneur, founder, and investor is talking about it. But behind the scenes, they're also building serious relationships. That's where MillionaireMatch comes in. This isn't just a dating app. It's a private network for verified millionaires, tech leaders, crypto whales, and AI founders who want more than just small talk. MillionaireMatch has been around since 2001, making it one of the longest running and most trusted platforms in the high-end dating space. It's been featured by Forbes, CNN, Business Insider, and the Wall Street Journal. The app includes features like certified income badges, private photo albums, advanced search filters, and even profile reviews by real humans to keep quality high. They also run exclusive blogs and dating advice columns tailored for high-achieving singles, helping members navigate love and success without compromise. There's even a Let's Meet function that makes introductions smoother, and VIP options for those who want concierge-level matchmaking. With over 5 million members, you'll find executives, influencers, investors, and successful creators. The platform is strict on privacy, has more than 10 control settings, and only verified users can reach out to you. No bots, no scammers, just high-quality connections with people who think like you. What makes it different is the business angle. MillionaireMatch actually supports startups. If you're single and building something big, the Angel Fund offers up to $50,000 to help fund your startup. That's love and capital in one place. Yes, it's exclusive, but if you're building in AI, crypto, or any future-facing industry, this is where your personal and professional life can both level up.
That's it for today. Check out MillionaireMatch and subscribe for more AI and Web3 drops. See you guys. Bye.